La 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 la.
And welcome back to my channel, Journey with Madhu. And hope everybody is doing great and safe. Just now I got this box from Amazon, and let me see what is in it. We'll unbox together, and I'm really excited to show what is in it in this box. So we'll unfold this box and we'll see what is in the box. And DJ Mini 2 Fly Mode combo. Let me unbox it. Oh, so to avoid some damages while in transit. Yes, here you go. Here is my brand new DJI 2. Ooh. So this is a brand new DJI Mini 2, and so let me see what is in it, and let's just start opening on this. Okay. Here's the bag. Excited? Yes. This is a DJI Mini 2 drone. This is good. If you see, programs are already installed to it. Okay, and then and this is very, very compact. As you also know that this comes with 249 grams, and which is as per Indian standard law. What happens is if it is more than 250 grams, then you have to go for registering this. But you need not to register, and this will be covering in the Thai collections. But however, this does good job in capturing your 4K videos. Okay, so this comes with tiny belt as well, which you can remove like this, and it is really easy to carry as well. And first and foremost thing is you have to unfold your propellers, right? So first it goes like this, front, and then the rear ones will be opening from neck. Ooh. So you've seen the main toy. We'll also see what else is in bag, and then we go for installing this toy. Okay. Okay. This is my user manual, DJI Mini 2 user manual, and this is very useful. I know you guys will be looking at YouTube and other things for how to fly, but definitely this will be useful if you can just go through once, and you can get to know even technicality of the DJI Mini 2 as well, right? And what else in this box? Yeah, this looks to be a remote. Not looks to be, this is a remote. A remote, and this remote is again comes with a little bracket wherein you can add your mobile phone here for a display like this. You can add here, so it will work as a display for you, and easily you can operate. Also, if you can see, here are two joysticks wherein you can take out these joysticks and you can plug it here. You can plug it here like this, and it is again easy to carry when you are unplugging and then plugging it. This is a remote control for Mini 2. This remote comes with a C-type charging, okay, and then this C-type charging you can easily find it in your house as well. And so what you can do is you can just go ahead and press this power button. When you see this power button, you can able to see these green signals, right? So currently green signals are at around 2. Ideally when we receive the box piece, I guess this will come with around 60% of the charging, but ensure that the first time when you're going out, ensure you'll be covering up to 100% of the charging of this. Okay, this is the home button, and then this is the flight, whether to start, what, whether it is start in a normal mode or in a cinematic mode or in a sports mode as well. And of course here is some operating wherein how to fly and other things, and here you can easily see that to record or to capture when you are in flying mode. Okay. And also it comes with a tiny capture mode for camera as well, so you can also capture your photos more than along with your videos. So this is how it looks with overall remote. And for operating this Mini 2, you have to download DJI app called Fly, and we'll see how to fly in the next video. Okay, what else in this Fly Mode combo? Okay, along with that I got some accessory box. Guessing there should be batteries. Yes, here you go. There are batteries, and so this is the battery case along with 2 batteries, and one battery comes up to around 31 minutes of flight time. And this also has a in and out cable as well, and here is the power button as well. So when you are keeping it for charging, ensure that it will be complete 4 green signals so that it is 100% charged and you are ready for flying. So what else is in this accessories box? Here is the cable which comes with the C-type and another universal cable wherein you can attach these cables to your DJI remote to operate different kind of mobiles like Android or iOS or the other older versions of phones, right, for displaying and operating through a remote. And this is again a good addition. What else? The final one, the C-type charging cable. This is for charging your remote. Okay, so this is what I got it in overall Fly Mode combo. So now till now we have seen what is there in this Fly Mode combo and what are the accessories that we are getting. But let us see what is in this DJI Mini 2. Here this is already installed with one battery, and just to open this battery, what you need to do is you have to press here on the top, and this is easy to remove as well. So here you can see the battery is out. Okay, and then here propellers are already installed. We need to look for that, and in the back side again you can see one C-type charging for you can directly charge this drone as well, or you can charge the batteries and you can put it inside. Plus you are also getting the slot for memory card, SD memory card. I strongly recommend use SanDisk 128 GB. This will be really good in terms of capturing your memories. And here we will open the camera case or camera gauge. Okay, here. Oh, this is the camera which comes with a 4K resolution, and this is going to do a magic in our journey. This is a small gimbal actually. This operates your movements. A small gimbal. So this is going to create wonders now. Okay. So for now I'll be closing this. Okay, this is the overall unboxing for DJI Fly Mode combo, and thanks for joining me on unboxing my DJI Mini 2 and being a wonderful audience. But if you want to be wonderful, please don't forget to subscribe. Do subscribe to my channel and do share your inputs on the comment section so that I can able to get more and more inputs for all of you and more videos for all of you. So thank you for joining with me.